Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Trello for sprint planning SEO projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the home page. You will see options to sign up with Google, Microsoft, or to create a new account with your email. If you prefer to use email, enter your email address and click continue. Next, create a strong password and confirm it by typing it again. Once your password is set, click on Create New Account. Trello will prompt you to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Trello. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Trello website and log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be greeted with a welcome page. Click on Create New Board to start setting up your sprint planning project. Name your board something relevant like SEO sprint planning. Select a background color or image if desired, then click Create Board. You will now see your new. Rename the lists to fit your sprint planning needs, such as backlog, in progress, and completed. To add tasks, click on Add a card under the appropriate list. In the pop-up, enter a title for your task and click Add Card. To provide more details, click on the card you just created. Here, you can add descriptions, checklists, labels, due dates, and assign team members. Make sure to organize tasks by priority using labels and due dates. Continue adding cards for each task you need to complete during the sprint. Once your tasks are set up, you can move them between lists as their status changes. To facilitate teamwork, invite your team members to your board. Click on Invite in the menu and enter their email addresses. Once they accept the invitation, they will have access to collaborate on the board. Regularly check the board during your sprints to track progress and adjust tasks as necessary. Utilize Trello's power-ups for added functionality, such as calendar views or integrations with other tools. As your sprint progresses, hold daily stand-up meetings to review the board and update statuses. Make use of comments on cards for communication about specific tasks. At the end of the sprint, review completed tasks and gather feedback from your team. Adjust your board for the next sprint based on what you learned during this cycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.